Hello, my beloved friends and followers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural health tips. Today we're talking about a simple, natural remedy that many of us already have in the backyard. Guava leaves have powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. That makes them amazing for treating diarrhea and dysentery naturally. Here's how it works. Guava leaves kill the bad bacteria in your stomach. They reduce inflammation in the intestines, and they help stop watery stools quickly. How to use them. Boil about 5 to 7 fresh guava leaves in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then strain and drink it warm. Do this twice a day for best results. Safe for both adults and kids, but avoid during pregnancy and always check with your doctor if symptoms are severe. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more home remedies from nature. See you in the next one.